Alright, it is fascinating. August 5th. Torture time if you're determined to trade. My apology, my voice is not so great, so forgive me if I sound a little funny. So there we go. We monitored the ES incredibly carefully at the market open because the ES had reached danger zone. And this is where the power of alpha wave trader method lies. If you know how to read pure price, if you know how to apply alpha wave trader method, you completely expect these reversals. This is completely expected because when my guiding light reaches this level, that's what I monitor for. And this is my trade that I've done for demonstration purposes of alpha wave trader method and education purposes. This is my 5 range trade from 1702.50 that's taken a huge pause because price had reached danger zone levels. That's why my stop at break even. 2 points on ES. Under this market conditions, I expect this rally to continue if this level will be broken. Why? Because ES daily pointing up to much higher levels, all the way to 1730.50. As we discussed, the pullback on ES had been incredibly weak. And this is what happens during summer months. Very comatose market conditions with incredibly sharp volatility. And all of these levels are completely expected very, very far in advance, as clearly spelled out. Up so freaking lately because danger zone had been reached. I expect a pullback, yes. But I also do remember that this is the month of August, which is the month that filled with absolute surprises, where markets will continue from incredibly comatose conditions to incredibly sharp volatility. My trail on ES 1703. Let's monitor what the price will do at these levels. So there is Cutie Fruity ES taking a major pause at the danger zone levels. The exact same thing. So to the upside, 5 range from 1702.50 reached 2 points and collapsing at danger zone levels. The same exact thing as the short trend down when reached danger zone levels to the downside. This is trend exhaustion levels on our hourly chart, which is our guiding line. This is my trade exhaustion levels. 95% of the time, the trade ends when it reaches this level. That's why my trail is well outside of my entry. As I expect at least a pullback. But these pullbacks could be spectacular, magnificent, and can go on forever. Or, even better, the short trend may resume. And that's how price dances between these levels. And that's what I'm monitoring for. Very, very sharp, sudden rally that we've been monitoring for the last hour, reversing after danger zone levels, which is alpha wave trader proprietary Fibonacci levels that signify ultimate resistance on my trade is reached. And here's dark collapse. But no worries, multiple other time frames are available. I'll be monitoring the formations and we'll see if price will allow me to enter another trade. But at the moment my trail at 1703, that is the importance of remembering to never ever ever exercise the greed and to remember where to take profits off the table. If you know how to trade pure price, if you know alpha wave trader method. All of these targets shown very far in advance, and we've been in this trade for the last hour. Let's see if we'll survive this pullback with our trail. Very, very critical where trail is placed, not to be ignored. If price will blast through danger zone levels, it means my trade is going into much larger time frame expansion. Is this clear? If something is not clear, guys, please do ask. But this is magnificent. This puzzle is confirming that nothing in trading is random. That price has absolutely perfect symmetry and perfect dance. And the key is to know when to respect the markets and when to stay out. So when we come to the markets and price reaches danger zone and giving me very short formations during trading or hours, I'm spelling out that's pretty aggressive trading. Pretty aggressive trading. Conservative and solid trading when price gives us very powerful reversals. But entire month of August, who wants to be tortured? Come on. Make this world a better place. Spend time with your loved ones. Learn. Play golf. Enjoy your life. This is the ultimate test of patience and discipline. It is for entertainment purposes only. Prudent and conservative trader is not trading this market. Spin in this trade on ES soon. For more, for about hour and a half. This is a reminder, if you determine to trade during the month of August, be prepared to be in a trade forever. Danger zone had been reached. We're getting a correction. My trail at 1703. This is precisely the reason why I named this level as the danger zone. ES is finally showing a potential after being in a trade for an hour and a half. What do I like when I see on ES? ES is pointing up all the way to 1730.50 on daily chart. And this danger zone level, that's where I expect the ES daily chart to take a major pause. So let's see, will 5 range finally blast through this level? Reminder, if all of my levels are broken, I will go into a larger time frame expansion. But my trail currently at 1703 and it is not to be ignored. So if you trade in August, expect to be in trades forever. Expect to be tested for your endless patience and discipline. But don't be fooled, volatility is coming, and it will show up out of the blue when you least expect it, when you're falling asleep after being in a trade forever. Woohoo! Will the price finally blast through? Let's monitor. Let's see what it will do. Oh no, the price did not break through the danger zone. Price respected this level highly. This trade is over. But despite this comatose market conditions, 2 points on ES, completely, very, very clearly knowing where to close the trade, this is essential to know when to stay out and what not to enter into. August trading. This is definitely not my thing. Therefore, focus remains on vacations, travel, making this world a better place, and education, education, education. Look forward to seeing you in a wave class tomorrow.